Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the auto source settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U. So first, we want to open up the menu. So click the joystick twice, click the button here twice, go over to system, and here we will have the auto source. Now we can disable it and we can select our input manually. But we can also enable it and it will automatically scan for the inputs. So for example, when you're connected to HDMI, then it will scan every single input until it finds the HDMI that you're connected to or the DisplayPort. So I recommend keeping it on. You guys can do whatever you want. It's up to your preference. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.